Imagine we're stuck like this, hanging upside down and no one hears us calling for help. We're just trapped for hours. So, what would actually happen to our body? Could it cost us our life?
Okay, to understand that, we need to know one thing first. Our body is built to function under a constant force. We don't even notice gravity. Every part of us works normally when we are in an upright position, but once we're upside down, that whole system gets disrupted. At first it feels fine, but after about 10 minutes, breathing starts to get harder and the head feels heavy. And that's where the real troubles begins.
After around 30 minutes, things get raw. Blood starts pooling in the head, making our face turn red. Our eyes and ears feel pressure, and the brain starts to panic. The body switches into emergency mode. The brain tells the heart to pump harder just to keep blood flowing all the way down to our toes. Normally, blood just falls downward by itself, but now it has to be pushed. And if that's not uncomfortable enough, imagine this. Because of the dizziness and the flipped stomachs, we might end up vomiting while still hanging upside down. You can guess how much worse that makes everything.
2 hours in, the heart and lungs are still working very hard to give the body oxygen. But when they are almost out of energy, another problem appears. The organs in our stomach area get pulled downward, and this makes it harder for the heart and lungs to work. It's like running a long race while carrying a heavy bag. It's really crazy. Normally, our lungs can take in a lot of air, but no, they cannot open fully, like trying to balloon inside a small jar. Because of that, the amount of oxygen in the body goes down. So even though the heart is pumping very fast, the blood still doesn't bring enough oxygen. The cells start to run out of it. We get dizzy. Our mind starts to lost.
If no one finds us, the heart eventually gives out. Cells start dying and blood vessels in the head can burst from the constant pressure. And yes, that would be the end.
But let's say we're lucky and someone finds us in time. So how long can a person actually survive upside down?
Because this situation is rare, scientists can determine exact survival time. Cases vary a lot. Some people died after a whole night. Some people survived even after being upside down for 2 days. And some were still fine after 7 hours. Many factors play a role. Age, health, condition, and how exactly the body is positioned. The more pressure placed on the chest, the more dangerous it becomes.
So yeah, being stuck upside down is truly miserable. Maybe it could even be a fitting punishment for criminals, but the lesson here is simple: always watch where you are going, and as always, thank you.